So now we're going to look at another landing page type in Lofty for price reduction. So it's all the list of all the homes on the MLS that had a price reduction. So if you have clients that are like, I want a deal, I want the best price, you can send them this link and they'll have it all loaded. So again, you're in the marketing, far left all the way down, tools, landing pages. It opens up our same spot. At the top, add a new landing page. And then right here, price reduced listings. And I'm going to hit select template and it's going to open up. And then all you have to do is name it for price reduced listings or whatever you want. No one sees the name but you. And then you can name that and then you hit save. And that's it. It's going to show all the homes on the MLS that had a price reduction. So if someone's looking for a deal, these are people who are looking more to sell, a little bit more motivated usually for sellers. You can see there's a whole bunch of them in there. Now the same thing, you can't publish it yet, as you can see. I'm going to click on these 4 buttons one more time just to make the publish turn on. Now the second button from the top that says block, I'm sorry, not block, but settings. You can go back here again to page tracking. You can put in your analytics, your Google Analytics and your Facebook Pixel. And if you put those 2 in there, it'll let you be able to start your page tracking. So you can track it separate. Now, of course, it does track how many links and stuff is happening. This just lets you put a little bit more deep dive into your tracking. You don't worry about style. If you go to SEO, you can do more keywords. So you can do like price reduction on homes, comma, homes for sale in San Antonio, or wherever you want to put it. Good deals on homes for sale. You want to think like, what would a client put? 100 characters. So you don't have that many characters. And then that's what you're going to have to look for, kind of. And then once you pick it and you think it looks good, you get analysis and it loads those up. And of course, till you publish it, you don't have an analysis. And that's as simple as it is. And then you would go here and you hit publish. And then again, like I've showed you before, I like to go to post to social so that it can load up here. And then once I post it to social, if you have AI like here, it's going to show you these 3 options. It'll give you like a little message already done. You can do 3. They let you do 3 a day for free, then you have to pay. If not, you can go here to your landing and see this. I could click here and it would work. And it says great. Or I could go here and highlight the price reduction. Either way, it lets me build a home. And see, there it is. This is all right. And then I can copy this link if I want. So I can do it separate. Of course, like I showed you, I like to place it separate. So I'm just going to show you on Facebook again because it's easier. Just quick and easy. Take the link, drop it in, get rid of all the stuff on it, and then I delete it. Highlight the whole thing and delete it. You can't do it letter by letter. You have to highlight the whole link to delete it. And once I've done that, I will go through it all and say, you're looking for a great deal on some new homes. Here's a list of motivated sellers, or here's a list of people who dropped their price on their home, anything like that. So you could drop the price, let people know it's price reduction. And then you would post that and all that kind of stuff. And it'd be good to go. It's that easy. Now, again, here for Instagram, if you want to post directly to Instagram, you'd have to get rid of this preview and you'd have to have an image. So if I went here and took a nice image that I wanted to, say this is an image, for example, just a home I was working on. And then you see this home now is here looking a lot nicer. You still have the link, but you can't delete it now. You have to take it out. But now these posts look a lot nicer. And then I could post this to my social media. Like I don't say, I would say maybe get a free list. I don't like curated. People don't use that term. That's ChatGPT. Free list of price reduced homes. Or with a free list. You could tweak it like this. I'm just kind of just shooting from the hip, trying to make it sound good. And there it is. And then anything else, you can clean it up. And then since I put a picture in myself, it looks nice. It doesn't have to, this picture, of course, has a little writing on it. You don't have to have something like that. I could also replace my picture, take a different one. Whatever I want to do, I can take that picture. And this one doesn't have anything. And that just shows a nice house. And because I changed the picture, I now could instantly post it to my Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google My Business. And then all you do is hit post now. Or you could take the link like I showed you and drop it in. It just depends how you're feeling, which way you want to go. And then if I post now, it's there. And then I just posted that pretty home. And it's ready to go when it's posted. So that's as much quick and easy as we can show you to do the price reduced homes. Very simple, not a lot of effort to it. And if you clean up the picture on it with a preview, it makes it so it's a little bit nicer and you can still get leads from it. Good luck. Go kick some butt.